Now, the next question, observe the following structures and answer the questions given below. Now, two structures have been given. The first question is, what is the relation between 1 and 2? Now, if I carefully look into 1 and 2, okay, this is a structure. I'll write down CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO, and then the second one, CH3, CH. Okay, these two are given to us. Now, if I carefully look into the functional group, here CHO functional group, that is aldehydic, same way CHO, that is aldehydic, right? That means I can say that, and the number of carbon atom is also same. So basically, the molecular formula is same, but the structural formula is what? It is different. So this is basically A and B are what? Sorry, 1 and 2 are functional. 1 and 2 are chain isomers. Okay, because the chain, it is what? It is changed. Here it is straight chain, here it is branch chain. Clear? The next one, B, write the IUPAC name of the second compound. Now this is the second. So the IUPAC name. Now for writing the IUPAC name, I'm going to select the longest chain containing the functional group. So this is the longest chain, and I'm going to start numbering from that side wherever the functional group is present. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So the naming in this case is 2-methyl. Okay, we have 2-methyl, and then parent, the word root is prop because 3 carbon, AN because carbon-carbon single bond, and AL because of the aldehyde group. Clear? The naming is 2-methyl propanal. Then the C part, draw the functional group isomer of 1. Now this is aldehyde. The functional group isomer of the first one will be ketone. Is it? Okay, because we know that aldehydes and ketones, they are nothing but functional isomers of each other. Okay, both are what? Functional isomers, because the molecular formula, it remains the same in both the cases. Only thing is the functional group is different. Clear? So what I can do is, here we have a 4 carbon containing aldehyde. So I'm going to write down 4 carbon containing ketone. And we know that the ketonic group is nothing but C double bond O, and it should be present somewhere in middle, okay, between or interstitial position, not at the terminal. So I'm going to put it like this. And this is CH3, balance it with, okay, balance it with hydrogen CH2. Clear? So this is how we are going to write down. And the naming is butane 2-one. Okay. So this is the answer to question number C. That is the functional group isomer of the first structure. I hope the concept is clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt, kindly write down in the comment box. Thank you.